Cheers.
Hey y'all, I am back. So this is probably gonna be the same video. So I'm not gonna say I'm back with another video. Okay? I'm getting the hang of this. But if y'all seen the last clip, you was like, what in the hell? Why is she popping champagne? And about to choke while trying to drink it at the bottle. Well, I was celebrating. Just something new. A new purchase. You probably already kind of get the gist of it, but today I'm going to take y'all with me. Excuse the hair, baby, this wig been taking me through the rain and the fire. It's been taking me through, and through the mud too. But anywho, I'm gonna take y'all with me to go pick up my new car. Yes. You heard it. I'm taking y'all with me to come pick up my new car. Backstory, very quick, because y'all know how I get with the yapping. I have a current Chevy Malibu. I've been having it for about 6 years. So we've been through something. But I love that car. I ain't gonna lie. It got me through. It's affordable, good on gas, good mileage. I ain't really never had any real issues under the hood, honestly, ever, since I had the car. It does have dings. I have gotten some collisions, mostly me being rear-ended 3 times. And it's just time. You know, once you have a car for 6 years, the miles, it's over 100,000 miles, you know, it's just time for an upgrade. But that was my first real car note from a legit, you know, dealership. So that was my first grown-up car, and now I'm progressing. Y'all will see what I'm getting soon, but I'm just grateful. I was grateful for my last car. I'm grateful for this new car. I'm just in a grateful space to be able to even get something new in the climate that we're in. Well, new to me. I'm gonna say that. It's new to me. But it's just the fact of just being grateful. Like, it's people in positions where they can't get a car or having car issues or have to take the bus. And I think we take for granted the things that we can do. And so I'm just grateful, honestly. So yeah, I'm going to take y'all with me. The next clip you'll see will be me and my new car. See you then.
Extravulous.
You can only understand what could be understood. Understand me. Understand me. Real shit. Ay, you know I got the remedy. That's why it goes out here trying to put a head on me. Can't trust these cold walls, they can throw it back. Watch them fuck your bros every time you turn out back. Rewind. I don't know what I just think I need some me time. Shorty, she in love, but she don't ever fuck with the mine. That's mine. You can keep that pussy, baby, that's fine. Baby, that's fine. On to the next street, stretching me to pass time. Get high, watch time pass by. Just bought an Audi, bout to crash mine. Swear I died like this in a past life. You can call me James Dean, cause you know I'm that fly. I can't tell my homies from my enemies. Everybody wanna be a friend of me, yeah. Wish I could tell them I don't have the energy. I swear, it's like for me to death for me, yeah. I can't tell my homies from my enemies. Everybody wanna be a friend of me, yeah. I wish I could tell you I don't have the energy. I swear, it's like for me to death for me, yeah.
Y'all see it? I'm in my new whip, Beamer gang, Beamer gang, Beamer gang. With the chocolate seats, panoramic roof. Yeah, it's me. I'm gonna check back in with y'all later. I gotta clock in to work. I'm running behind. Bye. Hey y'all, it's me again. It's me again. And Big Mo. And Big Mo. Headed to an art. To an art show. And it's only right to take a shot at that 1942 ski before we enter.
Good. Trying to get situated.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Trying to the art show.
Okay, when y'all sign in, then I'll show you where it is.
Alrighty. You didn't see that. Yeah, because this gonna get me copyrighted. Yeah. Everybody just got towels on them. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, everybody got towels on it. But it's like, at this point, is that VIP up there? No, it's just... What you gonna do? Oh. Me too. I did, but I was having hope.
Excuse me.
I know.
Yeah, everything got its own.
Yeah, they do. Even over here?
We got one empty one, we get in the way.
Yeah.
Baby.
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
You gotta commit early. What if you don't see those things? That's what this is doing.
They do.
And then I gotta
Are
sing
these?
along after
Yeah.
that, so.
I think these are taken. Is this seat taken? You're not sure? Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Oh, he probably can't hear me. He got his headphones in.
This is not gonna work.
Baptized in holy water, shine with the dogs running. Save us now.
On the right. Oh, yeah.
Really overpriced.
You said what happened?
Don't tell me where you were last night. I can't keep holding on. The light's gone out and the fire's gone. Even if I try to, we never lie. There's nothing we can do.
Hey, y'all. Let me fix my camera.
Baby, don't.
Yeah, we're at the Omni Dallas rooftop pool.
Oh, baby, don't.
It is Memorial Day weekend. I haven't checked back in with y'all since I left the art show. Wish I could update you. Matter of fact, I might. That might be a story time down the line one day. But we just got to the pool.
Y'all ain't cool like that.
Nah, hell no.
I just met you.
I like y'all, but not like that. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, we about to probably get in the pool, get a little drinky drink, and just enjoy the fucking day. It's a beautiful day that the Lord's made. It's a holiday weekend. I'm with the baddest bitch alive. Clock. I can't even move my hand. I'll talk about that. But yeah, now I look like Michael Jackson right now. My nose. Giving LaToya.
You know it, y'all sing along, clap along,
Yeah.
splash along.
Hopefully we can get some more content in our bathing suits. I did not expect kids to be. We should have went to adult only, but the adult ones was.
$40 is fine. That was 2 checks ago.
No, for real. I'll just see what you doing. Cause she got a nice ass pool. Her pool is lit. Let's call her ass.
We did a cup. We did a cup. It's a flash. Can they give us an empty cup? Or do they know what we're doing?
Some guys, it's a good time for half price. Half dozen
I'ma
bullets.
just.
Y'all should have a toss
Say it's a trouble band.
I can't take no shot of no vodka.
I know
That's gonna
why
ruin the whole day.
didn't go the way you planned it. And the devil is
But girl, you got. Ooh, that's what we need.
Waterproof.
Yes.
He said it was good.
Yeah.
I bet it was great.
Get your
Yeah.
Man,
Okay, come on, content. Gotta get this content.
We just need something like pocket with y'all.
No, yeah.
To put it in.
Pour that up. Oh.
Somebody else cut.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Where's the rest of them?
I like this. We definitely gotta get your information too. You say you're starting to do content and stuff. Yes, we definitely want to check you out and support what you got going on, girl. She said, "Look."
Place to go and make a brand new start.
She said, "Baby, I'm good."
Said it was good, I bet it was great. Okay, got me, man, a man got lonely. He said, please,
we done snuck liquor in here.
I could only have an angel in my arms. So I made a girl.
You got rum?
Oh, he did.
Oh, I thought it was vodka this whole time. I don't know what I thought it was. Rum may be crazy too. I learned that in St. Thomas. That's all they drink out there is rum. Now we're bringing Liddy on Memorial Day weekend. That's what. Hold on, let me prop it up. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to find somebody to put y'all.
Yes. Everybody, the camera's out. There we go.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Okay, ready? Oh, yes.
I'm just saying
We need your body
We love your body. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We got two back-to-back requests up here, so we'll make those happen right now, huh?
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Okay, you ready? Hold on, I'm gonna... Okay. Y'all ain't got
All right, how many of you girls are beautiful out there?
Okay, we're trying to keep up.
Couple of y'all? All y'all. Just say all y'all. How many of y'all are crazy?
I'm drinking rum.
All of y'all? Yeah? Uh-huh. All right, beautiful and crazy is your song, all right? So Luke Combs' team, go beautiful crazy.
He said not doing
I
nothing.
can't let it go.
It went down wrong.
I'm drinking rum.
It went down wrong.
All weekend, baby. I had to relax.
Same. Yesterday. I've been holding on yesterday.
I've been holding on.
So Sunday, this your rest day.
Yeah. I got these
Day starts with coffee,
We'll get your
ends with wine, takes forever getting ready. So she's never on time for anything.
Right. I like here.
on Amazon.
Can't prove it.
When she gets there, come get me. Look in her eyes, or it kind of scares me. The way she drives me wild.
Let me grab y'all.
She drives me wild.
I love the energy, y'all. We met a new friend. She does content creation as well. And she has crazy hospitality, y'all. She offered us a shot and a little beer. That's what I like to see.
And afraid to take chances. Where's your heart on her sleeve? She's crazy.
I'm in DeSoto. I just moved back to Keller. Oh yeah, that's a drive, but it's nice out there. You grew up out there? Over? Oh yeah, baby, I wouldn't be driving out here from Keller, no man. But that's the best way though. You know when you just want to enjoy yourself. I believe in being. Oh, it probably is. That's true.
Beautiful, crazy, she can't help her.
Yeah, this wig has got to go, baby. This shit is a mop on my damn head. I've been trying to maneuver this all weekend, and it ain't been going so well. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie though, the vibes is there. We met some cool people. Everyone's friendly here. It's not a lot of here. This is circle bus. But this is I definitely need some relaxation. And it's definitely did it, so I'm grateful. Hey, I'm gonna check back in with y'all because y'all probably can't hear me because the stuff going on in the background. Live in action.
Wears her heart on her sleeve. She's crazy.
I don't know, you just do whatever
Don't mind her hair.
Crazy.
I like it straight.
She's crazy.
I mean,
But her
swimsuit is
crazy's
from
beautiful to me. She's crazy.
I believe she in. Like,
But
it's
her
really cute.
crazy's beautiful to
I don't want to show the
me.
bottoms because I'm laying down, so y'all can see back rows. But if the music was better, it would have been a vibe. But we're going to make the best of whatever we do. But we are going somewhere after this, so I will probably check back in with you guys when we leave here and go to our
She poured 2 shots in there.
and just, yeah.
Thank you very much. Little combs too for you there. My request.
To celebrate my birthday.
All right, here's another request. That a little
All that shit is. Which one over there? I think that's out there. Love all from TikTok.
At the end of the day, that's all. I don't even take offense to that shit. You're not gonna tell me I'm a problem. There's nothing wrong with me. Let these niggas tell us everything wrong with everybody else. Yeah. Like, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to like, you're trying to fuck me up in the head. Yeah, no, yeah. I don't like that shit. That's what I'm saying. I don't like that kind of stuff. Yeah, okay.
Make you feel bad. You feel good. They would be in power of your own life.
Oh, this one I got.
That's why I told you, look at it.
Why are you trying?
Why are you turning on?
That shit high as hell. That shit building. But it's buildable. I like it because it's buildable like foundation. Build it, yeah. I like that. Cause I need it. My face break out so bad, y'all. Have to have that baby.
It's light.
But you only need like a dime.
What you gonna last long?
Bitch, I think I had this for about 3 years. I just literally be dabbing in there, dabbing it around.
No, literally. I have been had my longer than 3 years though. I had my phone like 5 years. Like literally.
I got a little. You can roll it up. I got a little weed.
This up, you got a right one. This up.
Nigga, I got a little have something.
It's hard. Wait till we start calling that call this stuff.
So tell me the difference. Explain to me the difference.
It's got tobacco in it, so you like you hit me.
Oh, you put it in there?
Yeah, you put it in the microwave or something like I time. I dehydrated in my air fryer, but you want it to be crumbling. If you take a regular, you dehydrate it and you crumble it up.
Yeah, well,
So we end up.
come again now.
Yeah.
Okay.
The regular weed ain't working no more. It ain't working no more. So I might as well smoke a cigar, but.
Wait, oh shit. How many minutes I got? 19? Outfit, Urban Outfitters, can y'all believe it? I ain't shopping on Urban Outfitters so long.
What is it? Real
I like that. It's so cute.
Thank you.
That real place got stuff like that.
Really?
In there,
Oh, I meant to ask you how you like it.
We got a lot of shit.
It looked like it was
It's not
fun.
real eclectic. It got Anthropology, Free People, and Urban Outfitters outlet.
Anthropology.
So it's an
That shit
outlet.
high as
It's
hell.
outlet.
Oh, remember, free people is high.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm only it's outlet.
I forgot
Now
that
I
chicken
will
leg.
say it's very outlet because I bought these pants and didn't realize that they was fucked up.
What?
They like some shorts, but they track pants but shorts. And instead of the breakaway, it got ties on it, but the ties are messed up at the end. And when you look at the tag, it says prototype. So it was like, you know, they were trying to figure it out. So it working.
That's crazy.
But I took her in here.
Who like it?
She like shit about me. She like shit about me.
I'm the one that.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Damn, no. I've been outside, I ain't gonna lie. But now I'm outside with no soul attachment, toe tie. I'm gonna cut all the shit I need.
Yeah, literally.
Not for real.
Yeah. Yeah, make me mad again.
It's the total.
Y'all keep saying when you take these shots to the package.
I know. Oh, I probably my chicken nuggets. Oh, damn, I hate chicken nuggets. Back outside. I'm gonna let this the tune. That's how bitch.
They drive-through? They got THC infused daiquiri.
You lying.
I ain't THC infused, but he told me not to get it if I wasn't trying to go to sleep. And said, okay, put you on your ass.
Oh, damn. That's how that drink did when we went to LA, bro. That shit had me gone on that plane. I was so fucking...
I had bought this little THC infused energy drink from the smoke shop.
That's so contradictory.
I was working just fine, y'all.
It's like you energized, but you high. It's like a sativa. I like a sativa. Yeah. It's always this one right here.
Oh, bitch, I'm looking like I can't see
Yeah, I know.
the screen. It's off. The screen's
I'm
on
getting a
there.
motherfucking drink.
But it's glare too.
No, I was looking on the back.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you can flip it. All right, I'm about to take this and quit bullshitting. Number 2. Fuck it. Cheers. There's our cigars, y'all.
It takes patience at times. I've been building this silence. I've been on my shit staying quiet.
You know what I gotta do?
I've been building this silence.
I stole this idea, but I. Oh shit.
Oh, you want me to get on the other side?
Nope.
No, you here. Yeah, you good. Hello.
Can I have some gum?
No, you cannot.
Oh, man.
Period.
Gracias.
I got you.
Oh, I did put cold, but I was just playing. I ain't gonna go somewhere.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to meet the DJ?
Oh, shit.
Absolutely.
Okay, come on, DJ.
Yes.
Love that.
Another good DJ.
Right.
Put me to sleep.
Perfect. She's in the right seat too.
You gonna put me to sleep?
I gotta do on YouTube.
Turn us up.
What y'all wanna hear?
Anything.
Turn up.
Liddy.
Back outside.
Yeah.
Back now.
No, that's the theme song for the nights. For the day. Oh shit, it's really night at 7. I forget what the song. I'm gonna take back in with y'all because I want to get copyrighted. We'll be back. stomach feel better. So I got lip gloss on it. I have to photo bomb, sorry. Oh shit. I had my phone on their truck like a motherfucker. They probably looking at like, get your shit off my shit.
Nobody wants that. I couldn't even drive that if I wanted to.
That's a 2004, bro.
I couldn't drive it if I wanted to.
I can't do nothing with that.
Where are they on the way?
Yeah.
Right here?
Oh, 1 minute away.
Okay.
I had to look because the 3 minutes has been going by a long time. Yeah, we just had a weird experience where the Lyft driver just drove off on us and said she canceled the ride. And I said, why? She's like, I canceled the ride. Bitch, why Respucia? Why the fuck would you do some shit like that? That shit crazy.
The camera facing this way, look.
Oh yeah, it is. this.
My bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, go rest live in the flesh. Real Louisiana nigga got this bitch. You hear me? Hey, find a nigga with these Jordan Park on, you hit me up, man.
What's your social? What's your
No, baby.
She said, hey, watch out.
You can't get in my video.
Oh!
20 versus 1.
Hey, we gonna do price versus. Hey, we gonna take big name, play little man.
Oh, shit.
We gonna do drill for drill.
Show me your money. You can't fuck with my drill. I'm ready.
What you talking about?
Look at you, boy.
What you talking about?
Oh, you Allen Park in the city trend, boy. By the way.
Hey,
Hey, man, sit on East Side, no jazz hit. I'm out here.
All right, period.
Defense spread. Hold on.
It's easy to talk, man.
You said.
It's easy to
Yes,
talk.
you did, girl. Thank you.
Pull your pants up, boy.
Not for real. Not for real. Not for real. She's funny as fuck. She's gone.
Need a lighter.
Yeah. Yeah, goodbye.
Your clothes don't even show age. Your shoulder eyes on it. Where's the joy? We might have had a big T-ball.
Thank you. Thank you. You are too. Yes, ma'am. Y'all have fun, y'all.
We got no edge. She broke right there. She broke.
What just happened? She was hating. She was hating. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You good, bro. You good, bro. You good. You good.
Everybody know me around there. I'm really getting money. These niggas just be capping. You good. I ain't even done. Y'all do this shit already.
Yeah, don't let that shit sweat you.
Hey, I got some X pills for y'all.
No.
Y'all can watch the sun come up together.
No. We smoke weed. That's it. No, nigga, not dope. Nigga, weed. Bitch, hell no. Yeah, that's different. That's
I got
different.
gas too.
Oh, we got it though. Appreciate you. Respect your hustle. You have a good one. You be safe.
Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
Y'all look nice too.
Thank you.
What the fuck did we just witness?
I got it all on camera.
That shit got hit real quick.
I got it all on camera.
She said bean head ass nigga.
Bro, she started finding that nigga. Oh. Fake bean eating that. I said, oh. What's wrong with me? And then by instigating that, ooh. Y'all, we messy as motherfuckers. Big head. It just happened so fast. It happened so damn fast. They've been 1 minute away for 5 minutes. They gonna come. I think he coming up from this way. He in traffic. Yeah, I think he in traffic. Thank you. You too, girl. These elements so damn ghetto, bro. Don't it look like he coming from? Where it look like he coming from? Right here? Wait. Yeah, we waiting. The way he was coming was on this side. Hold on. Yeah. He in traffic, so he coming up this way. No, it's a lot going on.
That's too much. It be too much.
It's a lot going on.
Last time I took a picture with somebody in Deep Ellum, they put it as their TikTok page.
No, on some weird shit.
That man still got my picture from 2014.
Girl, no, that's some knickerbockers, bitch.
You say niggerbockers?
Bro.
Get your ass off.
You hear me? We got
People with the clothes.
Yeah, it's called. It used to be one of our favorite clubs.
Music used to be
Not for real, like we selling coochie.
Us?
Yeah, we giving.
Right here on the block. Got it.
School trying to get some pictures. School trying to get some photographs. I want a photograph. Is this still?
He keeps saying, I sure wish I could take a picture with you.
I want to this one right here.
Is that it? Shay, is that it?
Yeah.
Please let that be it. Sir. Good sir.
Good sir.
He about to turn. Oh shit.
Got him.
Get me out of here. There's white refrigerators out here.
Come on, y'all. Come on. Oh, hello. I'm sorry. We're trying to get you out of here. We know traffic is bad.
They're blowing
at us. Oh shit.
rescuing us from the. I said, wait a minute.
The guest man. Wait a minute. Oh yes.
Wait a minute.
We ran to this damn car. No, for real. Oh, what is this?
It smells so good in here.
It do.
Yeah.
Y'all. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it's over here.
It is ghetto, y'all.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh, I can't do it, but I bet that's good. They ordering food out of a hole.
Tells you. Deep them tacos.
The music is different. It's just,
Everything different.
it's a lot of YN activity over here.
It's a lot. Oh my goodness.
They be all them Dallas,
Yeah.
Texas TV videos.
That was a
down
lot.
here. They be
I'm gonna check in with you.
crazy.
Oh shit.